Okay, today I'm going to be showing you how to change your budget on Google Ads. So it's very simple. I'm going to go into my Google Ads account right here. I'm signed in, and then I'm going to go over to my campaign area, and then I'm going to click on campaigns right here. It's going to have a drop down menu. I'm going to click campaigns, and then right here is going to be your budget. And in here, you can select the little pencil icon and you can type in whatever budget you want to have. So this is your daily budget. So this is what it's going to spend on average every single day of the month. And then right here below that, it will say, okay, in September you won't be charged more than $1,209.49, and that is giving you a benchmark for what you can charge for the month. So if I lower this, say we bring it down to $25, click save. This is going to tell you that your budget is going to be a little bit different. So on here, it will, once this updates, it's going to give you a bit more information saying how much it's going to spend for that month. But on average, it's going to spend exactly what you have in here every single day. So $25, it might spend $35 on some days. It may even spend $50. I've seen that happen where it doubles. But typically, you're going to stay between that $25 and maybe even a little bit less. So hopefully this video helps you and you are able to dive in here really quickly and get this sorted out. If you need any more help one-on-one, make sure to click the link in my bio or in the description, and you can set up a time with me and I can walk you through some things and show you exactly what you need to do. So thanks so much for watching. Hopefully this helped. Make sure you subscribe so you see the next tutorial, and I'll catch you in the next one.